Congratulations, so you just got the JL Wrangler that you've always wanted, except it doesn't necessarily look like the Wrangler you've always pictured. We're gonna show you how to make it all happen with a full build on this brand new two-door JL Wrangler. This Jeep has a whole list of upgrades that we're doing, and it starts with fender flares. We're doing rock sliders. We're gonna be doing bumpers, 37-inch tall tires, of course, swapping out the ring and pinions in the differentials. It's a whole build package to take this thing from completely stock to a certified off-road ready mall crawler. And I am pumped to make it all happen. The owner of this vehicle had a very specific picture of what they wanted this thing to look like, how they wanted it to perform, and we're making it happen. So we are pumped to show you the whole process from start to finish. So the JL two-door transformation is underway and it is looking awesome. So just to walk you through some of the things that we did, starting right here, these are actually JL Rubicon flares. These are noticeably higher and they're actually wider than a JL flare too, than a standard JL flare, the flare that came on this thing. Of course, the 37-inch wheels and tires look awesome. These are 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers on 17-inch wheels. Now these are a 17/9 wheel with a +18 offset. So if you look down the side here with this Rubicon flare, the tread of the tire is like perfectly covered by the flare. I think this thing is looking awesome. Of course, we've got some cool rough country steps to fill in that void there and provide some nice, easy access to get in the vehicle. The front bumper is all together. Of course, we've got to finish some wiring here, but this is an inexpensive rough country 9500 winch with a factor 55 flat link, some rough country LEDs, flush mount, and this sweet, super stubby Fab Fours front bumper. Some of the other things that we've got to finish up yet, we're not going to be using these light bar brackets because the light bar that we got is a 50-inch, and these brackets are designed for a 52. So we got some new brackets from Go Rhino. They're gonna be installed shortly. We didn't talk about the lift yet. This is actually AEV's 2.5-inch lift. And man, it makes plenty of room for 37s with these Mopar high clearance flares. In the back, we gotta ditch this factory plastic rear bumper. We're gonna be going with a Fab Fours rear bumper there as well. And this Teraflex adjustable tire mount is awesome. I think their camera release, their camera and the release is awesome. This thing looks really nice with the spare on it. Of course, it gives you infinite adjustability up and down, in and out, depending on what size wheel tire you have, as well as offset. So it's gonna be awesome. Once we get all the cosmetic stuff done, as far as the rear bumper, spare on it, that kind of stuff, we're gonna do the re-gear. After the re-gear's done, we're gonna use the AEV snap calibration tool so that everything is right as far as calibration goes, gears and tire size. So that's coming up next. So here it is, we got the JL two-door all wrapped up, and I think the thing is looking amazing. Of course, we've got 37s, 2.5-inch lift, we got the gears installed, everything's ready to rock, calibration's done, the thing drives wonderfully and has plenty of power. I love how this thing looks. One little side note, we decided to keep those light bar mounts, and we ended up making a little spacer so that everything worked out really well. So I love this project. Let me know what you love about this Jeep in the comment section below. Remember to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and check out our website for some of the latest cool projects in our showcase section. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.